Hello guys, welcome to the question 16 of our web programming sessions. So the question 16 is, in this question, you have to program the web page that you designed in the previous question, which means the question 15, and it must be done in accordance with the following conditions. So we use the set value system section to set values to the system, and any kind of value can be used for that. And the check value for the system section is used to access the main page using the data that we previously set to the system. For example, in the first instance, in the set value section, suppose that we enter admin and admin123 in the system and enter your code 1 and enter your code 2 respectively. Then you should be able to access the main page with that same data using check value. In the second instance, in the set value section, suppose that we enter user and user123 into the system and enter your code 1 and enter your code 2 respectively. Then you should be able to access the main page with that same data using check value. You should be able to see the data you entered after accessing the main page, and you can't enter the empty values as stated for both sections. So now let's see the answer. And here, this is my design, and this page is responsive. And now let's try adding a value. Once you enter a code without the other, the whole section will be cleared. Now I'm going to set the values, and you can see I have got an alert saying what the value I have inserted, and I have used this to check the value I have inserted. So let's go to the home page with this value. And you can see the values I have entered in here in the main page. So now let's set another value. And let's use the previous value to check whether it is still assigned. No, the previously entered code is not there anymore, and we need to use the value we set now to go to the main page. There you go. So now let's check the code. So this is my design, and you can see I have two functions called set and check here. In the script you can see the set function, I have got the values from those fields and sent to process PHP. In the process PHP, I have validated these values and set those values to sessions. And here's how I gave the alert which I got, so I can send those values in an alert. So in this clear function, I have cleared the values I have inserted in the set value section. And in the check function, I have got the values I inserted in the check value section and send those to Q16 process PHP. So in this Q16, you can see I have got those values, and you can see I have validated those values as well. And in the last else section, you can see I have got another if function which have the condition that checks whether the code 3, which means the check value first input, will be the same to the code 1 in the set value function, and the code 4 will be same to the code 2, which means the value in the set value code 2. So likewise, those sessions I have set in the process PHP will be used here to check whether these codes are the same, and if it is, the response text will give 1, or else the response text will be wrong codes, try again. So in the script you can say if the response text is 1, an alert will come saying credentials correct, and you will go to the main page now and will be redirected to the home.php. And if it's not, alert text will give the response text from the Q16 process PHP. So that's all for the question 16, and thank you for watching. Have a nice day.